Ahsoka, how nice of you to join me.
Thank you, Master.
I have a special martini for you. It is the blue. Never been used, except by me when I was a young apprentice, by my master. And now it is time you fight me.
Thank you, Master.
Why am I fighting? The light must have went out. It will be okay. It will Man, thank you for putting the lights around me. That's a protection suit. Good job. Let me help you up.
I'm a little slow. I've been fought 22 years.
Finish me. I'm no good.
Finish you. I will not.
You have passed my training. You show loyalty and you show fierce at the same time. Keep this. You'll need it.